Hey, good day traders, happy trading. Just a real quick video here. So here we are, 4-hour chart, S&P 500. Yeah, 4-hour chart, and we're just at the start of huge bull run from September 24th. So I just marked out, just look at where I marked these 5 green lines here. So you got one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. But just focus on these two here. So you see one here at the body, one at the wick, and one in there. And then just zoom out a little bit. Zoom out, and bull run goes up, goes up, goes up, blah, blah, blah. Drops down to where we are here in the present, or nearby the present. And just look where these moves bounce off of, eh? Just huge pump there, huge pump there. Like, isn't that kind of crazy? I've seen that thing a lot, but I've just made a video of it here. So yeah, wick, body, zoom over here, boom, boom. So here we'll just zoom in, we'll go to a different time frame here. We'll go to, blah, blah, blah. Here's the 1 hour, 1 hour, boom, boom. Like, look at, oh man, that's crazy. 5 minute, what does the fiver look like here, boys? Let's check this out, boys. Fiverr. Hey, what's happening to Fiverr? Okay, so look at that. Boom, just dropping hard, just boom, dropping, and then oh, misses it there. Boom. Oh, what is this drop? Oh, another boom, and then a boom, and then a boom. Like, could you imagine, bro? If you caught that, like, son of a gun, bro. Like, drop a little tickle on there. Boom. This could be your target. Or I don't know, that could be your target. I don't know, pick something. But yeah, happens all the time, boys. Look at that. Hey, look at them apples, boys. Like apples, don't you? Anyhow, it's the end of the video. Love you guys. Happy trading. Let's get it. Let's get that big woo.